What's up, you guys? So we just got done shooting some video here at Big Bear, Cali. There's some snow. The lake is iced up. We got Loki, Hemi, Ethan, and Priscilla there. Trying to mess with this stabilizer. This thing is pretty damn awesome. But yeah, we're gonna shoot some drone video now. Hopefully comes out well. But Big Bear is snowing right now. Or not snowing, but there is snow here, and there's supposed to be more snow on the weekend actually. So yeah, alright, we're out. Say bye, guys. Bye, Hemi. Bye, Ethan. Bye, Loki. Bye.